Just got this guy running. Put a new carburetor on it. Okay. And this guy here, I'm trying to get running. Here's the original carburetor, and there's the replacement, some no-name crappy one, right? But see, I had the same problem with both. I left gas in there for a very long time. That one I left gas in for years. That one, I think it was like a season. But I tried cleaning them out before, and look at that. I don't even know if you can see that. It's like all kinds of stuff in there. Crystals. So a rebuild kit for these is more expensive than a carburetor. Ew.